Business rates are a tax paid by a business owner on any commercial property they own or rent. In some cases, they also apply to commercial property which is vacant. Essentially, they are the commercial equivalent of a council tax.
A ratepayer will receive their business rates bill from their local council. The bill will be based on their property's rateable value, which is set by the Valuation Office agency, who are part of the Inland Revenue.
The rateable value is determined by their estimate of the property's rental value, which is decided during a revaluation.
A revaluation normally takes place every 5 years. The Valuation Office agency conduct a revaluation to adjust the value of business rates and ensure that they reflect current rental values in the commercial property market.
Current rateable values are based on rental values as at the 1st of April 2008. The 2017 revaluation will be based on rental values as at the 1st of April 2015. This is because it takes 2 years to collect the information necessary to collate the list, which currently comprises of approximately 1.9 million properties. Due to controversial delays to the 2015 revaluation, this is the first revaluation since 2010. This means that current rateable values do not reflect real market conditions, making it highly likely that rateable values will change significantly, particularly in certain regions and categories of properties.
This is the first time that some rateable values are likely to decrease. It is predicted that there'll be an overall reduction in rateable values in the North and the Midlands. Rateable values are, however, set to rise sharply inside the M25. There will undoubtedly be winners and losers as a result of this revaluation. However, we predict that the government will implement phasing of the liability changes for both increases and decreases.
The government are reviewing the appeal system, which is likely to increase the responsibility of ratepayers and their professional advisors in checking and challenging their rateable values.
The Valuation Office agency will gather evidence of property values based on information supplied to them by occupiers of commercial property. They do this by issuing forms to ratepayers. The more information ratepayers can provide to the Valuation Office agency, the more likely it is that their new rateable value will be right. Draft rateable values will be published online on the 30th of September 2016, and the list will become live on the 1st of April 2017. There is a short window for ratepayers to correct serious physical inaccuracies in their valuations, and this needs to be done before the list goes live.
The Valuation Office agency is, like most government agencies, going digital. It is therefore important that all ratepayers register online, as this is the only way ratepayers will receive information about the revaluation. Information will not be sent in the post.
A rating advisor will help a ratepayer plan for April 2017, including understanding options for rates relief that may apply to their business and also examining their options of appeal. There are numerous rates reliefs available, and the reliefs are, in many instances, interlinked and unique to the individual occupier. It is therefore important for ratepayers to seek advice to ensure that they are receiving all that they are entitled to, in the same way as any individual or company would seek tax advice.
It is also important for ratepayers to have their business rates bills checked by a rating advisor. The calculation shown on the bill is rarely wrong, but the assumptions made by the local authority can be wrong, giving rise to incorrect bills.
If people are concerned about what it means to them, then they can contact Sanderson Weatherall.